Today, we're going to be talking about how to make ecom profits, how to do a drop shipping, how to never have to smell, stare, touch, ship the product yourself, but for the lowest cost possible, you can actually sell these products and then eventually make a brand and then eventually exit that brand. And then when you exit that brand, where to park those profits, where you park those profits to make more profits, and then how to keep those profits when you exit that brand. And if the gurus don't even explain this part to you, like if they don't explain to you that that is what you should be doing, or that you should have been buying crypto, for years now, and then with the profits from crypto, you should have been building a crypto mining rig, and then with the profits from the crypto mining rig, you should be buying more crypto to make more profits. Right. And if they're not telling you all this stuff, then what else could they possibly be holding out on you? And if I had to tell you what they're probably not telling you, it's that you can change your entire life with one ad. You can change your entire life with one product. You can change your entire life with one store. Now, you've probably heard that before. You've probably heard that you can change your life. You've probably heard that everything can change with one product. So what are you waiting for, right? What are you waiting for? That's not the problem. The problem is that you haven't found the right method. You haven't found the right teaching to actually have a winning ad that just consistently wins with a winning product that lasts as long as it could possibly last. And that is what you've been missing. So if they didn't tell you all those things about the crypto and the real estate and where to park profits and how to exit, they probably didn't tell you that you can use Google ads as opposed to TikTok or Facebook ads, which are the newest and the shiniest things on the market. You can actually use Google instead, and you can almost automate every single part and shoot yourself as close to the finish line, as close as possible to the profits as possible. And if they didn't tell you all that previous stuff, I'm not surprised they're not telling you this. But I've been on YouTube for years now, telling people how to do this, and I only have 5,000 subscribers listening to me as of right now. So if you're here, you're early. This is why you haven't heard about this yet. This is why you haven't conceptualized the fact that your life can actually change at any given moment with any given product, with any given store that's made by AI, simply by having the right process to pick these things. If they didn't tell you all those things, would they tell you that you can just hop on into AutoDS? You can hop into the AutoDS platform for $1. You can find a banging product. There's thousands of products. You can find a banging product in even just 30-40 minutes of scrolling every week, and find this banging product, and then take that product and go to the Google Keyword Planner, Google's free tool, and look up the product that we found, which is turmeric soap, turmeric soap bar, turmeric soap for dark spots, turmeric face soap, lemon turmeric soap, turmeric honey soap bar, best turmeric soap, organic turmeric soap, best turmeric soap for dark spots. And you can just go down this gigantic list of free keywords that they give you that you can target. Search this up and find the exact number of people searching for this product every single month. And over 3 months, it's actually going up 22%. So that means it's trending. So you can find this product for $1 trending upwards with over 120, 30, 40,000 people searching for this every single month. And they don't tell you that almost for free, you can use AI to build a Shopify store with Build Your Store in under 2 minutes. They don't tell you that with this exact product and this exact niche that you want to sell in, that you found by yourself on AutoDS. And they don't tell you that you can have an absolutely gorgeous and stunning store up. You make your little tweaks to the AI, gorgeous brand that you can be selling online. And then this brand can easily change your life. And where can people find your brand? Where could you have possibly sold these magic turmeric soap, right? That's made all naturally with vitamin C. That's literally found in AutoDS. You can get it right now. You can source it right now. You can drop ship it right now. You can label it yourself right now with AutoDS. And they never tell you how you can sell that product. Do they ever tell you that you can just launch an ad? But not just any ad. You can launch a PMAX campaign. That would put you in the shopping. It would put you in the search campaigns. It would put you in the picture ads. It would put you in the YouTube ads if you had a video to go along with it. If you wanted to edit a video yourself or pay a service to edit the video for you, like you would have done with Facebook and TikTok anyway, so you might already have this stuff. They never tell you that you can do this stuff virtually for free too. Because if we look at this, we drop ship the turmeric soap, so we don't even buy it. We don't even host these products ourselves, because we drop ship it from AutoDS, and they have insurance and they fulfill it with their suppliers. They don't tell you that. And then they don't tell you that you can have an AI store built basically for free. You can have an AI store built and then make any tweaks you want after that to make it look very branded. And they never tell you that you can use the Google Keyword Planner to search up every single product that you could possibly want to sell or possibly thought of selling, or anything that you're even passionate about. Upload it to AutoDS and they can find a supplier for you. So anything. And then you can take that exact product that you want to find and sell, that you just scrolled and searched for, that you magically came across, or you had a dream about, or you thought about selling, or you thought about starting a brand around, or you were so passionate about investing in this thing. You can find it and you can put it in the Google Keyword Planner right now. You can do this stuff right now, and you can see exactly how much search volume is estimated to come into Google every single month. You can see if it's trending. You can see all that stuff. And as of right now, you spent about $1 on AutoDS. You did this on Google for free, and Google's even going to give you $500 to run an ad with them. They're going to give you $500 to $3,000 to run an ad with them instead of a different advertising platform. And then you're going to take all this, find ways to make this store look better. You add stuff to the store, you add reviews, you customize the pictures with Canva, the AutoDS to find the product, for the build your store to build a store, for the $1 Shopify trial. And then with Google, with $500 that they give you for free, you get to launch an ad. You get to launch an ad in every single marketplace that they have available for you. On the shopping marketplace, which is this. On the search marketplace, which is all the text ads. On the display marketplace, which is all the pictures. On the YouTube and video marketplace, which is all the videos you would have done anyway. And they never tell you with one click of a button, you can combine all these campaigns, every single one of these campaigns, into one easy campaign and launch it all together, right? Let's say you were fearful of learning Google Ads, or you didn't know where to start, and you don't want to dig through my channel, and you don't want to dig through every video I have that talks about ad strategy. That would be a perfect way to start running some of these ads. If you didn't want to do all that, if you don't want to subscribe to the channel, you can just do this and just launch an automated PMAX campaign the same way a lot of these brands have launched this PMAX campaign. And then this could potentially change your life. You could potentially change your life by launching an ad like this. And then you could reinvest those profits into real estate, into crypto, like a smart person would, into the stock market, like a smart person would, into crypto mining rigs, which is just really not as complicated as it sounds. It's just a big computer that needs to be built. Follow my channel for the longest time. You know that you can sell anything on Google. You can sell literally anything. You can sell expensive things, ultra expensive things, cheap things. You can sell anything. You can sell services, right? Because Google is just an intent-based platform, which is what they never tell you. They never tell you that Google is intent-based, whereas TikTok and Facebook are not intent-based. They never tell you that. They never tell you that because they don't tell you that you can sell literally anything on Google. What started off as an idea to sell expensive things now ended up as an idea to sell expensive services, right? To give you guys an example, a real world example that this intent-based marketing can work for anyone with anything. I'm not talking about just turmeric soap. I'm talking about using Google to sell anything that you want to sell, whether it's an info product, whether it's a workout plan, whether it's whatever it is. As long as you do it the right way, or a profitable way, you'll realize that you can throw up an ad. You could spend $100. And maybe you're a contractor, maybe you're a bakery, maybe you do catering, right? For $100, and then suddenly have leads, intent-based leads for any priced thing you want. So if you're sitting there and you're saying turmeric soap is so cheap, I'm not selling that. That sounds ridiculous. So sell anything. Right? My cousin does construction. We launch an ad. We've spent $200 on an ad. We have already, in just 2 weeks, we already have $1.5 million worth of leads. He had an idea, and we combined it with my marketing knowledge to combine these ideas to find leads, and now we already have over $1.5 million worth of leads. These are just simple ways that you want to change how you think, right? Because this started off for you as a video about how to make money with Ecom, and then I told you how to find ways to exit, how to find ways to reinvest profits, how to find ways to make and expand the business model that made you all your money, and then find a way to always use your skills and hone your skills, right? What did I change when I found leads? I didn't change a lot of things. I ran a search ad to try to find leads, right? A search ad is just a text ad, it's just a bunch of text, right? Click this now to get a giant discount on X, Y, and Z. And suddenly we have a new business plan, all these new leads. So what changed, what went from finding a way to make ecom profits and learning Google ads now transformed into, I can use Google ads for anything, intent-based, right? Because the people that are finding our ad are people that need this service. They don't tell you that you already have the things that you need to start. You already have it. AutoDS for $1 in my description. Find a product that works. Move every single product that you find here, every single one. Don't be lazy. Search it. Anything that you could think that you could sell, put it in the keyword planner. Type it in, search it, everything. Do 10 words at a time, 20 words at a time. Search them. Finally, find one with a lot of keyword volume, a highly trending market, maybe not as competitive. Go to build your store for $1 in my description. You can build your store with AI. You can get a nice looking store. Then when the Shopify store opens, make it custom. Customize pictures in Canva, customize pictures with ChatGPT. Everything's done with AI now. For $3, you have a completely AI store. Then Google gives you $500 for free to run this ad. Your world expands when you decide to learn something new. Scaling TikTok and Facebook stores right now and brand stores right now. But the beautiful part is that if that feels hard for you, then try this. Try Google first. Like, this has been a method that I have tapped into every single year. Every year right before Q4, I make it apparent for a video that nobody watches, by the way, because one of the next videos that comes out is going to be this free way to do this, and then group calls to really hone in and really build that community of people who are serious. So that's what's in store for you if you go out on this path. That's what's waiting for you. I don't want you to be shy about it. Sign up for the AutoDS. That's your first step. Take it for $1. Sign up, find a product, sign up for Google. Very, very simple. You literally just sign up with an email. You search all these products, find one that's been trending, find one with TikTok, find one. Are people running it on Google ads? If they are, that's a good sign. That means they're probably making money if they're running Google ads. And then I will show you how to make these automated and free, like effortless, not free, but effortless, free of stress ways of launching these campaigns. And if they don't work, you just cut them off. You go move on to the next product. And it's not that hard. You don't have to design these crazy amount of campaigns and these crazy scripts and these crazy advertorials out of the gate. If you're worried about that, or if you're new, you can just do with automated campaigns through Google, like these brands are doing, selling this turmeric soap. And then as you get more and more granular, as you understand more and more how keywords work and how Google works, then you can advertise organic turmeric soap, or just lemon turmeric soap, or just honey turmeric soap, where people are actually just searching that specific model. Then you pop up with that specific model, and then suddenly your life changed, your life transformed overnight, because you found another way to do this stuff, an automated way, the least expensive way, which I've always preached. I will keep preaching, because I know as a beginner, it is the hardest way to get started, and this is the best way to get started, because it's the most cost effective and it's the quickest. It's automated, it's quick, and the AI is just getting better and better and better. So with that being said, guys, like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you in the next lesson when we're actually going over how to do these PMAX campaigns, maybe even how to design a store, and whatever else you want to see, let me know in the comments.